Hey guys, welcome back to another video for getting started with your Wendougee DATA espresso machine. And today we're going to talk about binding one of your favorite profiles to this wooden paddle in the front. Now this paddle is just a momentary switch, so when you press it, it's just going to run that one profile that you have put into the machine. So maybe you didn't buy a tablet with your espresso machine, or maybe you're just using your iPhone or don't like the look of the tablet up top. So far, most of our videos have shown the tablet, but maybe during the week, you're just wanting to run it without the tablet. You can actually have that profile staved in there and you don't have to pull out your iPhone or tablet every time that you run your machine. So to get started, we need to figure out which profile we want. And I think we're going to do the Leva Steam profile. And we're going to go to this gear icon, System Settings, Key Settings, and you'll see currently the stepped ramp is bound to this paddle. So if this tablet was completely off and I hit this paddle button, it's going to run that stepped ramp profile. So let's change it over to the Leva Steam. You'll see it takes a few seconds to send that file over to the espresso machine. And now if we were to turn off this tablet, which we're going to do in a second, it's going to run that Leva Steam profile. Okay, so to save a little bit of time, I went ahead and prepared our portafilter. It says a standard 18 grams. This has all been preheated. And you'll notice that I've taken the tablet holder and the tablet completely off. It's set off to the side and not even turned on. Put our cup below, and then when we click this paddle, it's going to run that profile that we put in a bit ago. So it does have a very long pre-infusion. It's not going to sound like it's doing anything for a few seconds, and then you'll see it start extracting. And then there you have it. So if you wanted to bind a profile to your espresso machine, I probably wouldn't do a profile like this, but just some sort of a basic profile that has just a short pre-infusion, maybe hops up to 9 bars and then finishes at 6. It's a really nice profile to run for the day-to-day. Now on the weekends, maybe you're wanting to pull out your phone or add the tablet, and that's really easy to do, and it kind of keeps this clean look of just having a more traditional espresso machine look without the tablet. But for today, this is just how to bind a profile. I hope this helped you get going with your Wendougee DATA espresso machine. I think you're really going to enjoy using it. Thanks for watching.